a bitch, and that 30 dick don't give a dirty shit. You ever seen a grown man do a backflip?
Your girl likes me cause I keep my gun on when I hit. You smell like old shit. Oh bitch, when they shot me I just went and wrapped up my shit.